I got some big KuCoin news that can make you some money. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free stocks with Webull. You can get up to $12,000 worth of free stocks, some free crypto, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. I have been using Root for multiple years. I absolutely love them. I love the price I'm getting, so make sure you get a free quote. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of the KuCoin exchange. It is the exchange that I use the most. They have some amazing features from lending to staking to margin trading. Literally, they have everything that you need. Also, the KuCoin exchange has its own token, the KCS token. And I believe in the next day or two, it will have a nice little rally, probably going up anywhere between 10 to 30%. And I believe that will present us with a great opportunity to do a quick trade and make some money. And now let's quickly take a look at the token before I show you exactly why the rally is on the way. And now we are on CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, the price of the KuCoin token is at around $10.54. It is up just over 3% on the day. But when we scroll down, you will see that the last 7 days, KuCoin has gone from like $8.70 to over $10. Also, when we look at the 1 month chart, it does have a nice little recovery from June 3rd when we had that massive dump. But the chart pretty much looks exactly like every other chart. When you compare it to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other token, it pretty much looks exactly the same. This is the massive rally it had in the bull run. It went from like 80 something cents to almost $30. And now it is correcting once again. But I believe this rally will continue for the KuCoin token. Also, being completely transparent, KuCoin was one of my good gainers in the bull run, and it made me a decent amount of money. And I still currently have a position in the KuCoin token, but I have recently added to it due to the news that I'm about to share with you guys. As you guys know, the KuCoin link in the description box below is an affiliate link, so if you use that link, you'll be supporting me and the channel. And sometimes KuCoin releases information to its affiliates before they release the information to the public, and sometimes that can present us with a great opportunity to make some money. I'm not even sure if I should be sharing this information with you guys, but you are my loyal subscribers and I want you guys to make as much money as possible. Let's look at the email. Alright, so a couple of hours ago I received this email, and it pretty much states on July 21st, which is tomorrow at 10 a.m. UTC time, KuCoin, a global leading crypto exchange, will announce that it has secured a strategic investment from XX company to be announced tomorrow. It is one of the largest quantitative trading firms. Apart from tens of millions of investments, the two parties will collaborate in blockchain startup incubation and KCS and KCC ecosystem building. This is where I believe it will help the KuCoin token do a lot more. It also states that this is very big and important news, and it hasn't been published yet. So who is this big firm that partnered up with KuCoin? How much money did they invest? I have no idea. I guess we will find out tomorrow. But I believe if it's a very big company that invested a ton of money, that will definitely cause the price of the KuCoin token to go higher. And I believe we can see a nice little jump between 10, 20, possibly even 30%, depending on how big the news actually is. That is all the information that I have right now. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If I get any more updates or new information, you guys will be first to know. So how can this make us some money? I believe this is a great trading opportunity that can make us between 5 to 30% in profit in a matter of a couple of days. Obviously, there's definitely risk involved. Obviously, do your own research, not financial advice, but I believe the opportunity is here. Especially if this is a very big firm that invested a lot of money, we can see a nice little rally in the KuCoin token. So what is my strategy? I will be holding on to my KuCoin Moonbag that I've been holding for over a year now. I'm not selling any of that, but I will be taking profits on my new position. If it goes up 10, 20%, best believe I will be selling and taking profits on this quick trade. That is what I plan on doing. Alright everybody, that concludes this video Obviously, do your own research, not financial advice. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. Smash the like button, subscribe, check out the KuCoin link in the description box below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.